Alright, so this is the eye model, and honestly it's the best one in class because it shows all the muscles. So this muscle up here is called levator palpebrae. If you go ahead and remove the eyelid, you can actually see there is a muscle just inferior to it called the superior rectus. Do not get these two muscles mixed up. He loves tagging these on exam 2 and the final exam, so keep that in mind, that the levator palpebrae is always going to be on top of the superior rectus. Now here, of course, you're going to have the eyelid, and this is the lacrimal duct. It's where tears are, the lacrimal gland. That's where tears are being produced, and then they travel through the lacrimal duct. Alright, this muscle out here is the lateral rectus. This muscle right in here is going to be the medial rectus, and of course there's a muscle going straight back down here, which is going to be the inferior rectus. So now let's talk about the muscles that aren't as clear cut. There is a muscle up here called the superior oblique, which actually wraps around a structure way in here called the trochlea. There is a muscle down in here that actually curves a little bit, and that muscle is called the inferior oblique. Now, the reason why people get confused with muscle contractions is whenever these muscles contract, that is how your eye moves. So if your lateral rectus contracts, it moves laterally, medial rectus medially, inferior rectus moves down, superior rectus up. The thing about the obliques is they're kind of weird. When the superior oblique muscle actually contracts, your eye moves down and out, or inferior and lateral. When the inferior oblique contracts, what happens is your eye moves superior and then lateral.